Good evening. Today I'm here to explain a fascinating piece of code that powers the Bitcoin price bot. This code allows user to get the current price of a Bitcoin in USD, and it's built on top of the Telegram API using node.js. Let's delve into the details of this code step by step. The first three lines imports the required node.js library. The first Telegram bot is used for creating and interacting with the Telegram bot. And the command Axios is a popular library for making HTTP requests, which will be used to fetch data from an external API. And the third line, Firebase admin, is a Firebase admin SDK allowing the bot to connect and interact with the Firebase database. And this line is a new instance of a Telegram bot class is created with your new Telegram API token. And the polling true option enables the bot to continuously pull for new messages from Telegram server. These lines initializes the Firebase admin SDK. It loads the service account key from the service account key.json file and uses it to authenticate the bot with Firebase. And this is our service account key.json file. Once authenticate, it initializes the Firestore database, which will be used to store Bitcoin price data. This block of code sets up an event listener for the start command. When a user sends start to the bot, this function is triggered. It extracts the chat ID from the incoming message, which represents the unique ID of the chat between the bot and the user. The bot then sends a welcome message to the user with instructions on how to get the current Bitcoin price by typing price. And this block of code sets up an event listener for the price command. When a user sends the price, the bot executes this function. It starts by extracting the chart ID from the message. Then the bot uses Axios to make an HTTP GET request to the CoinDesk API to fetch the current Bitcoin price in USD. Upon receiving the response, it extracts the price from the data and formats the result message. The fetched price is also stored in the Firebase database under the Bitcoin prices collection. It saves the price along with the current timestamp using the server timestamp method to ensure accuracy. Finally, the bot sends the formatted result message back to the user containing the current Bitcoin price. This block of code sets up an event listener for the help command. When a user sends help, the bot triggers this function. It retrieves the chart ID from the message and sends a response back to the user providing information about the available commands and a brief description of the bot functionalities. This is the default message handler. If a user sends any message that does not match the predefined commands like start, price or help, this function is triggered. It sends a response back to the user indicating that the command is unknown and suggesting to use help to see the list of available commands. Now we will run this code. When we enter this start command, we'll get the welcome message. And we enter price command, we are getting the current Bitcoin price. And when we enter the help command, we are getting all the list of commands that are available. And here it shows all the data that was collected in the database in the format of price and the timestamp.